Can
Phone
start.
for some 5 minutes. Phone.
Am I clearly audible and visible?
Yes, you are.
Thank you. Good afternoon, my dear fellow Toastmasters and guests. My name is Toastmaster Grishma, and I'm going to be Sergeant at Arms for today's meeting. I welcome you all to 17th meeting of Mehdipatnam Toastmasters Club. There are three ground rules which are to be followed during the meeting. Please turn off your cell phones or put them in a silent mode. We'll have 10 seconds to do so. Do not talk about sex, religion, and politics during this meeting. As this is an online meeting, please turn off video while you're moving. The mission of our Toastmaster Club is to provide a supportive and positive learning experience in which members are empowered with to develop communication skills and leadership skills, resulting in greater self-confidence and personal growth. By seeing the theme, let's have fun, I remembered all the funny things which I did with my classmates last year. But since last 10 months, I lost them all. Literally, I missed them all. I think Toastmaster Nikita is going to give back all the fun which I missed during this quarantine. Without further delay, I would like to call the president who will take the meeting forward with a big round of applause. Please help me welcome the president of our club, Toastmaster Mahima.
Thank you so much. Welcome, everyone. Welcome, Toastmasters and guests, to the pre chatted meeting number 17 of Medipatnam Toastmasters Club. I am Mahima Kapoor, and I am the club's presiding officer for the day. So, before we begin, do we have any guests? Any guests for today? Hmm, Imtiaz, or I don't think so. We have any guests as such. Let's begin the meeting. Thank you so much for coming. For joining this meeting on time, guys. I encourage each and every.
Yes, as a guest.
Uh, I saw him in the last meeting as well. I'm not sure if he's guest. Imtiaz, would you like to share your thoughts if you on our meetings, or can you please help? This is my second meeting. Okay. So, Imtiaz, are you a guest, or have you already been with any club? You can type if guest. Okay. Would you like to share your thoughts? Would you like to unmute yourself and share your thoughts with us? Like, how did you feel? How was your previous meeting? And what are your expectations with this meeting?
Yeah, hi all. So yeah, this is my second meeting. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are.
Yeah. I came across this program from one of my colleague who is a part of this in other area, not a Medipattam. So
Okay.
he suggested me. So here I can improve my skills. So I thought to join this. So last time I have attended this meeting. Uh, Last at ending time like half an hour when meeting was going to end. So this is my second meeting. So I'm planning to join this meeting in coming days.
Okay, wonderful, Imtiaz. Thank you so much for your introduction. We understand that the last time we had the meeting a little early. That's the reason we shifted to Sunday, and at this time, I hope that's convenient for you. Thank you so much for coming. I encourage you to participate in the meeting so that you get an essence of what exactly happens in Toastmasters Club. Hoping for your participation. Thank you so much again, Imtiaz. And now let's continue by stating the club's mission. Let's get on the mission. So, we as a team provide a supportive and a positive learning experience in which each member is empowered to develop communication, leadership skills, which will definitely result in self-confidence and personal growth. There's no barrier here, there's no limitations. Speak up, improve, and just go ahead with the flow. So we are in the process of chartering our club. We already are 6 members, and I will be sharing the processing details and the membership details at the end of this meeting. I would not eat more time here. Uh, but I would especially like to thank Vinila, because I was going through the chat and I see that she paid the membership fees yesterday, and she immediately took up the accountant role. So huge round of applause for her. Thank you so much, Vinila. Great. Okay, I am glad to introduce the Toastmaster of the day, Nikita, who is the Toastmaster of many clubs, in almost 2 clubs in Hyderabad, but in 2 years, she is already a president and is already a secretary. She wears many hats. Just don't go on her face and her body structure, but she's sharp here. She is pro at everything she does. She is great at improving herself. She is great at communication skills, leadership skills, networking, much more to learn from her. So over to you, Nikita, the Toastmaster of the day.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Mahima, for that superlative introduction. I would say that made my day. Good afternoon to each one of you. I welcome all of you again to the pre-chartered meeting of Mehendipatnam Toastmasters Club. For those who have joined us for the first time, Club Mission has already thrown some light on what Toastmasters is all about. Toastmasters is a platform that will help you work on your leadership and communication skills. The club, Mehendipatnam Toastmasters Club, is having their 17th pre-chartered meeting and is on its way to charter. For more questions on chartering, as Mahima has said, she'll already talk about it towards the end of the meeting. Now let's jump to the theme of this meeting. New Year is round the corner. All of us know how much topsy-turvy this 2020 has been. Ups and downs are a part of life. However, 2020 was just too much to take at times, if I may confess. For this meeting, let's keep aside thinking about all the New Year resolutions that you took but never got fulfilled, goals that you could never accomplish, or gyan like 3 ways to focus, 2 things to do on New Year Eve, plans to make for 2021. Let's just have fun. Keep aside everything and be here for the next 1.5 hours. This meeting is going to be a battle of fun with 3 segments. First is the prepared speeches, where a prepared speaker will come and give a prepared speech as per the pathway he or she is following. This segment helps the person to work on their communication skills. The second segment is the table topics, which helps you work on your impromptu skills. And the third, of course, is evaluations. Now, throughout the meeting, there will also be a couple of fun activities to add spice to the meeting. Everybody with me on this? Thumbs up, any reactions? Okay, so I guess people are with me in the meeting. Now, I see many of you are sitting with your cameras off. So, before we move ahead with the meeting, I challenge all of you to switch on your cameras. Because the first activity that I want to do is I want to see you all smiling and doing what I'm going to ask you to do. So quickly take 30 seconds, groom up if that is needed, and make yourself comfortable to switch on your camera so that we can get started. Okay, I can see a lot of people switching on their cameras. Afshan ma'am, I'm waiting for you now. Yay, okay, let's get started then. How many of you struggle with directions? Left, right, left. I am forever confused, I'm telling you. I have to think twice before deciding which is left, which is right, even when Google tells it clearly. So raise your hand if you are one like me, confused with directions. Okay, I am going to put your sense of direction to test. I'm your host today, so of course you cannot do that for me, but I can definitely challenge you. Now, what all of us are going to do is join your hands like this. I'm going to tell you a small story. In this story, when I say right, you point towards your left. And when I say left, you point towards your right. Okay? With me on this? When I say right, you point towards left. And when I say left, you point towards right. Okay? Okay. Keep your eyes and ears open and be attentive to listen to the story. I'm going to tell you a story about Mr. and Mrs. Right. That was your first cue. When I say right, you have to point towards left. Okay. I'm going to tell you a story about Mr. and Mrs. Right. One evening, they were making sambar. And Mrs. Right suddenly called out, there is no sambar masala left. You will need to go right to Ratnadeep and get it now. Oh, I can't forget you forgot to pick it up while shopping for groceries yesterday, said Mr. Right. Well, it will take you only 20 minutes and you'll be right back. Go to the corner and turn left to the aisle at Ratnadeep. Then look towards right where all masalas are stocked. Pick it up right from the third shelf and we'll be all set, said Mrs. Right, and her husband left for Ratnadeep. Everybody's doing this. Mr. Right found sambar masala on second shelf, cursed his wife for telling him that it would be on the third shelf. She can never be right about where I can find stuff at Ratnadeep. Mr. Right left for the parking and could not remember where he left his car keys. Okay, now where he left his car keys, I said. He checked his right pocket and then his left pocket, checked the right side of the car and the left side of the car. Alas, he left the car keys hanging on the lock at the door. Eventually, exhausted Mr. Right was on his way home. I thought you would be right back, Mrs. Right said. Hand over the sambar masala to me right away, she ordered. Mr. Right gave her the packet and Mrs. Right could not believe herself. In her left hand was a packet of chicken masala. That's how husbands are. So, a lesson for all the wives: don't force your husbands to go out and buy stuff when they are not in the mood. And a lesson for all husbands: remember to pick up the right stuff when your wife is asking. Else, God bless your weekend. I hope you're all warmed up now and your brain is active and you enjoyed getting confused between left and right and left. Let's move on with our meeting and invite the general evaluator for today's meeting, Toastmaster Afshan. I already call her Toastmaster because she's one of the most active members of Mehendipatnam community. Professionally, she's the vice principal of Solitaire Group of Schools and an MBA in HR. Her scintillating personality is reflected in the way she talks and her gleeful smile. Over to you, Toastmaster Afshan, to introduce your role and your team to the meeting.
Thank you so much, Ms. Nikita. It was such a lovely welcome. Today, I play the role of general evaluator. My role today would emphasize on seeing a broader perspective on how the meeting will be conducted, any feedback that could improve our performance and our conducting of the meetings in the coming future, and to give a positive feedback to all the people who would speak today. I would like to introduce my tag team today. The timer for today is Toastmaster Lakshmikant. I did not get a chance to speak to him, but Mr. Lakshmikant, if you could please speak about your role today.
Yeah. So very good morning to one and all. I'm super excited today to join these people, great people today. So my role is timer role, and it is I'm new to this, so, so please bear with me. I'm just looking at my book. So I have to check the timer for prepared speeches and table topics as well as evaluation topic. Am I correct? Correct me if I'm wrong. So I
Yes,
have
Mr.
to check the
Lakshmikant, you're
timer.
right.
Yeah, I have to check the timer and sharing my screen with green, yellow, and red cards. Yeah, that's
Thank,
about my role.
thank you, Mr. Lakshmikant. Uh, Now I would like to invite my counter for today, Miss T.M. Vinila, our newest member to the Mehdipatnam Club, who's helping others makes her happy always. And her resolution for the coming year is to tap into her inner strength and resilience. Over to you, Toastmaster Vinila.
Thank you, Toastmaster Afsan. Good afternoon, fellow Toastmasters and guests. My role as an accountant is to note down the usage of pause words or pause filler sounds that are used by any of the persons who are speaking during the meeting. Pause words include and, so, but, like, actually, means. Pause filler sounds include and ah. I would also be noting down any repetition of words like I, means, this repetition of such words. And I would also be noting down favorite words of the speakers. And at the end of the meeting, I would be presenting to you the counter. Over to you, Afsan.
Thank you, Ms. Vinila. Welcome to the Mehdipatnam Club. Now I would like to invite our word master grammarian for today, Toastmaster Kalyani, who is a person who gives her everything to anything she puts her heart. And her resolution for this year, and this is that sense of achievement that makes her super happy. And her resolution for this year is the resolution everybody has, to finish all the resolutions that we make during this year. Please, Ms. Kalyani, explain your role to the team. I think you're on mute, Ms. Kalyani. You aren't audible, Ms. Kalyani.
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Sorry, my voice is echoing. I think there are two devices, right? You can remove one device and no need of, if there is a problem, you can remove your video and speak in that audio. Yeah, thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. I'm Toastmaster Kalyani, and my role for today's meet is Word Master Grammarian. So I'll be making note of good usages and as well as misusages of English language in today's meet. And it is also my responsibility to give you word and idiom of the day. Word of the day is glee. Word of the day is glee, Glee, meaning great delight, especially from one's own good fortune or happiness or great pleasure. Example, she opened her presents with glee. And also idiom of the day is barrel of fun. Barrel of fun, meaning a person or thing that is very enjoyable. Example sentence is today's meeting is gonna be barrel of fun. So I hope you use word of the day and idiom of the day in your speeches. And whoever uses word and idiom of the day will be encouraging them with thumbs up symbol in the Zoom reaction button. So I'll be back with my report at the end of the meeting when General Evaluator calls me. I hope you use word of the day glee and idiom of the day barrel of fun in your speeches. Thank you. Over to General Evaluator.
Thank you so much, Ms. Kalyani. And now, with great glee, I invite our vote counter for today, Toastmaster Nandini, a bubbly student who is extremely extremely assiduous. And when I asked her what makes her super happy, she told me irritating Toastmaster Abhimanyu Wazir is something that cheers her up any time of the day. And she hopes to study for an hour every day and improve her scores in her engineering. Hoping you all like this barrel of fun. Toastmaster Miss Nandini, please explain your role.
Thank you, Afshan ma'am, for such a good introduction. So, hello everyone again. I am Toastmaster Nandini, playing the role of vote counter for today. We know that vote is very much important for us to be encouraged and motivated all the time. One vote can change everything. So, I request everybody to vote for the best person you think in the role players. We have a start stage role players who are accounter, grammarian, and sergeant at arms, and also the timer. And also for long stage role players, we have nominations for Toastmaster of the Day, General Evaluator, and Table Topic Master. And for the table topic speakers, whoever speaks today, that will be the other segment. So for all, as we have already the speaker one, only one speaker and one evaluator, there will be no voting for both of them, and remaining all the three segments will be having the voting. So for the voting, I will be launching the Zoom poll whenever the segment was done. Once a timer has confirmed whether they're eligible or not, then I will I will launch the Zoom poll on you, so that it will visible on your screen when you are voting, and then you can submit it. At last, I'll give my report. I'll tell the winners when again I got a chance to announce it. With this, I hand over the stage to General Evaluator Afshan ma'am.
Thank you so much, Miss Nandini. I am just the way you said it, I'm so excited already to vote and cast my vote. Thank you so much. With great glee, I hand over the mic now to the Toastmaster of the Day, Miss Nikita. Thank you, Miss Nikita.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Afshan. Before we move on to our prepared speech segment, I again want to tickle your brain with a question. Now, this question was asked to me by one of my fellow runners this morning when I was already huffing and puffing, running close to 17 kilometers. I am going to take his revenge from you here in the meeting. Again, I will tell you a story. At the end of it, I will ask you a question. Let's see who answers the question correctly. Before, I asked you to switch on your videos. I forced you to switch on your videos. Now, I will challenge you to unmute and answer the story. So, this story is about Mr. Frog. Okay. This Mr. Frog was in Mehdipatnam, and you know how Mehdipatnam roads are. He fell in a pit which was 20 meters deep. Now he wanted to come out of the pit. Sometimes it would start raining. Sometimes he would slip down. Every day he would climb 3 meters, but then again slip down 2 meters. So effectively, he was only able to go up just 1 meter. In how many days will this frog be able to come out of that 20-meter well? Who can answer the question? Sometimes a car would come, splash water. Sometimes it would rain. Sometimes the frog would not be able to climb up.
It would never come up.
Oh my God, who is that? He will never come up.
Money.
Bichara frog will die like that.
17 days.
Who's that? 17 days. Okay.
Vamsi.
Okay. Any other guesses? my. Okay. Everybody's thinking. Vamshi is close.
Then 18.
18 days. Because every day he is climbing only 1 meter. On the 18th day, he will be able to climb 3 meters because on the last day he will climb 3 meters and come out of the pit.
Right.
Now this question was put to me when I was already done with 17 kilometers and I was like, sir, please don't bother me right now when I'm trying to finish my run. Now your brain, I hope, is all warmed up and excited. So let's move on to our first segment of the meeting, which is the prepared speech segment. Our speaker for the day is Toastmaster Vamshi, who's attempting Level 1, Project 2 from Innovative Planning. His evaluator, Toastmaster Meghna, is from Speech Weavers Toastmaster Club. I invite Toastmaster Meghna to read out the speech objectives for Toastmaster Vamshi. Over to you, Meghna.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster of the Day. And the purpose of this project is for the member to present a speech on any topic, receive feedback, and apply the same feedback in the speech. The purpose of this speech is for the member to present a speech and receive feedback from the evaluator. And the time limit for this speech is 5 to 7 minutes. And I request the timer to please make a note on this. And I wish you all the best. Over to you, Toastmaster of the Day.
Thank you, Toastmaster Meghna. For the timer, you have to show a green card at 5 minutes, a yellow card at 6 minutes, and the red card at 7 minutes. There is a grace time of 30 seconds for the speaker to finish his speech. Well, Toastmaster Vamshi, Santa 2020 version 2.0, Santa 2020 version 2.0, Toastmaster Vamshi. Over to you.
Check. Am I audible and visible?
Yes, you are.
The timer cards. Timer, can you please share the timer cards? Please. Yes. Thank you. All right, let's start. Imagine jumping out of a skydiving plane and discovering your parachute doesn't work. What memories would flash before you? Now, imagine parachute opened. How differently would you act when you landed? This journey has all emotions: petrifying, exuberance, relaxed. That's what my 2020 is. Good morning, fellow Toastmasters and dear guests. I am Software Santa from District 98 Area N2. I welcome you all to my village here in Winterland. Soon it will be New Year, and you might be wondering what gifts you will receive. My elves have been observing you very carefully to see if you have been naughty or nice this year. Why don't you come with me and see what elves have found out? Then I might reveal something about your New Year gifts. I reckon Santa Claus is the most loved character for kids. It is believed Santa Claus comes to every house riding on a sledge driven by reindeers and keeps special gift for every child. I have few questions for you. Why do we celebrate festivals? How many festivals are there? Which are your favorite festivals? I forgot to ask, do you like festivals?
Yes.
Yes.
Being a festivalist, I love to enjoy every occasion to the fullest. 2020, I saw a positive vibe coming towards me. New Year celebrations, yay! Every New Year, we hear a question. Same question. What is your New Year resolution? I became an abundant person. I opened my mobile notepad and wrote 2 resolutions. 1, spend more time with family and friends. And 2, save money, which is a hypothetical one. Next day, I went to office like a whaler. I am on a roller coaster that only goes up. Out of the blue, my manager came to me and said his resolution: we release your stress and anxiety from your daily life, as well as help you to cultivate overall feelings of peacefulness, relaxation, and contentment by releasing you from the project. 2020, wow. Then I heard Aristotle's voice. Teaching is the highest form of understanding. I started mentoring my peers, the boot camps. One after other, the journey continued. Finally, the day came. No, not the project. February 14th, beautiful Valentine's Day. I was bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, waiting for the office events on such a special day. They are barrel of fun. Unbelievable. To my surprise, I got a message from a girl. I opened the message with a glee. Hi Vamsi, where are you? I don't even know her. I was busy with some other tasks, so I didn't check her details. I thought maybe she's a fresher having some doubts. I replied, I am at office at so-and-so location. She asked, can we meet now at desk number 123? I went there with my notes. And there, I saw a group of experts waiting to interview me. The girl was my lead. And the table topics, and like table topics round, I had an impromptu interview. Everyone there were walking encyclopedias. Miracle happened. I was selected for the job. Another month passed. I was so excited. My pulse was like a race car. Vroom! It's time for increments. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Increments and promotions gone out of my way. Life is a roller coaster. An unwanted guest came to my country, Mr. Corona, from District 85, Area W1. He made me to do work from home. But there is always something positive in every negative situation. Because of him, I can attend many online meetings, which became new normal. I started cooking and my parents were over the moon because now they can enjoy their favorite shows, IPL and Big Boss. I was on cloud nine because after a long time, I can spend a lot of time with them. Few more months passed. I became a Toastmaster. I was full of beans. I started attending Toastmaster meeting all over the district. I met so many people resonating with unmatchable spirits of joyfulness and vibrancy. I realized that there is light at the end of the tunnel. But first, we must inhabit the darkness with complete faith, knowing respite awaits ahead. Do you remember what are my 2 resolutions? Spend more time with family and friends. Save money. Mr. Corona played a key role to make them happen. I reckon life should be a continual celebration, a festival of lights whole year round. Only then one can grow up, one can blossom. Happiness, joy, health, and wealth may reach your door ahead. Have a great celebration. What are your Toastmaster of the day, Toastmaster Nikita?
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Vamshi, for that energetic speech. Your cap reminded me of the school time celebrations that we used to have during Christmas. Oh, I can't tell you how much I miss them. Okay, time to gear up for some more fun. I forced you to switch on your videos. I forced you to unmute yourself. Now is the time when I'm going to make you run around the house. How many of you have heard of the game Treasure Hunt? You are given some list and you have to go around, run around and find those things. Of course, it is not possible in a virtual environment, but so what? We can still run around our house and get those stuff, right? So now I'm going to give you a list of a few things and let's see how many of you are able to get them. There are around 7 or 8 items in the list and there are points also for each of these items. So whoever is able to get them will get the points. Now I wish we could conduct this in a team but I think individual would be better. So how many of you are now geared up to run around the house and get these things? Thumbs up, hand raise. Okay. I will post it in the chat to everyone. 1, 2, 3. Oh, first I should tell you how much time you are going to get. So I'll give you 3 minutes. At 3 minutes, it is 12:41 right now. So I'll see you back at 12:44. And here is your list. I need you to get 1 red socks, brownie points if it is dirty, 3 eggs, 5 potatoes, packet of Maggi noodles, pink scarf, blue tie, nail cutter, soft toy. Start running around. Oh, Vinila has already left. I see Lakshmikant also go. Okay. Akshay also left. Oh, okay. Akshay is still sitting.
Can you post the list in the chat, Nikita?
Miss Nikita, can you please post the link in the chat? I mean, list in the chat.
I don't see the chat option suddenly. I posted in the chat. It is already there. I am not able to post it again. Somebody switched off the chat, is it? I don't know.
You must have replied to someone. Yeah, now it is there. Thank you. Well, I have none of the items in the home.
You don't have potatoes at your house?
Potatoes I might have, but I'm not sure where exactly it is in the kitchen.
Okay, who's this sitting with 3 eggs? Munib, okay. Nail cutter you can have. Maggi packets you can have.
But I used up all the potatoes today. Kanda poha.
Yes, I have the nail cutter. No Maggi, but.
No Maggi, okay. Let's wait for others also to come back. Nobody has a red socks which is dirty. You will get brownie points if it is dirty. Where is Mahima? She has also run away, is it? I did not ask people to run away and leave the meeting.
Mahima must be asking everyone to get her everything.
What did you get, Lakshmikant?
I have got cutter,
Okay.
a soft toy,
Okay.
and a nail cutter.
Okay.
The cutter is not there, I think. Oh my god.
It's okay. I'll still give you. So you got nail cutter.
Nikita, I don't have girls. I don't have a soft toy at home. Give me an option for boys.
Oh, man, no.
Can
Could I
get
get
one
a
more.
PS4 or something?
Any toy is okay.
I can get his PS4.
Okay. Who else got? Nandini, what did you get?
Only 1 nail cutter. I did not.
Only
Nandini doesn't know. Nandini doesn't know the way to her kitchen.
Where potatoes are there, I'm searching them.
I have got
I
tie
got
as well.
Maggie.
Oh, you got tie also. Wow. Lakshmikant is on fire. Okay, so Lakshmikant.
I got Maggie.
Who got Maggie?
I got
Vamsi
like
here.
5 things.
Okay, Vamshi got Maggie.
Nail cutter.
Okay.
Pink scarf.
Okay.
Potatoes. Soft
Okay.
toy.
Oh, nice. Where is the pink scarf?
Yeah.
Nikita, can you see? I got a Maggie. I got a pink scarf, nail cutter, 3X, and a toy instead of soft toy.
Ma'am, can you repeat? Egg?
I got Maggie.
Okay.
Ma'am, you have to show us.
I'm showing
And
it in
she
my video.
showed. Yeah.
eggs, a nail cutter, a pink scarf, and since I don't have girls, I showed my son's toy. Is
Still Vamshi is
controller.
leading. So he has 16 points. Afshan ma'am has 13. No, Afshan ma'am also. Afshan ma'am has 16 points. Vamshi has 19 points. Lakshmikant has 13 points. Now Nandini, you have only 3 points.
Nikita, I bought nail cutter, pink scarf, and toy software.
Even then, okay. So we'll end the game here. The winner of the game is Vamshi. And then we have Afshan ma'am and finally Lakshmikant. Thank you guys so much for participating. Now I made you switch on your videos, unmute, and then run around the house.
Nandini, you should visit the kitchen sometimes, Nandini.
Sure, I'll extend it.
Okay. Now that all of you are energized, without letting that energy fade, let's move on to another exciting segment, the table topics segment. And I invite table topics master Akshay from GSI Toastmasters Club to take the segment forward. Over to you, Toastmaster Akshay.
Thank you, Toastmaster Nikita. I hope I'm audible and visible to all.
Yes, you are.
All right. Good afternoon, everyone. So after you have switched on your video, unmuted yourself and ran around the house, let us use the energy which is there within you right now for the Barrel of Fun round, which is the table topics or the impromptu segment. Table topics is the round where you can practice on 4 skills: listening, thinking, organizing, and delivering. These 4 skills helps you to deliver any kind of impromptu speech. It can be useful when you are not prepared or you have to say something or share your thoughts instantly. Maybe your boss might have asked you something, or your friend might have asked you a suggestion. Or for the husbands in the house, if your wives have asked you, how do they look? Well, for the table topics round, the time, as earlier said, was 1 to 2 minutes, wherein at 1 minute, the timer shall show the green card, at 1.5 minutes, the yellow card, and at 2 minutes, the red card. Also, it is requested that each member should minimum speak for at least 1 minute to qualify so that the vote counter can count the votes given to your name. Apart from this, I would also like to reiterate the word of the day, which is glee, and the phrase of the day, barrel of fun, must be used, or if possible, used by the speakers in their speeches. For this round, I've prepared some topics and I would love to have you all take a chance with them. So who is going to be the first person to attempt a topic? Can I have the name in the chat, or else you can raise the hand using the Zoom options. Anyone who would like to go first? The topics are very simple, do not worry. Well, I can see Nandini raising her hand, so let us go ahead with Nandini. Can we have Nandini on the spotlight, please? All right. Nandini, Secret Santa's gift. Secret Santa's gift, Nandini.
Thank you, Akshay. I have never have any secret gifts or anything because I do not have boyfriend yet. I have to search for them to get some gift at least. So basically, I'm like, even in my school or in my college, I'm always away from my friends gang all the time, because the reason is that we have to compromise for everything when we are in the group. Like if they came late to it, we have to compromise and wait. But waiting is a thing which I can never do that. Even if they didn't study, we have to help them without we studying and help them. So I am not that good in helping in everything like that, because I am also an average student and I also have to study. And obviously I do not have much cash in my hand, so I even can't party all the time. So I'm always away from that. After that, these days I was into this part. Everybody thinks I'm only studying. I never do anything. But after some time, I also have entered this gang also. because it's not like when we have money only we can get friends, when we have time only we can get friends. But no, I thought that we can get friends and surprises even when we have a good friend who is connected to us all the time. I have many friends around me. Meghna was my friend, Abhimanyu was my friend, Afshan ma'am was my friend, and almost all the people who are present in the meeting all my friends. So we should not search for friends or anything. You are all the gift for me which I have for this Santa, which is 25th, and hoping that will continue for all the time. Friends are the gift for me, and I think all of us are friends, and you are the best gift for me in this time. Thank you. Over to you, Akshay.
Thank you, Nandini, for that wonderful take. It was a gleeful moment to hear you out, sharing that the friends are the gifts and your secret Santa is definitely the God who helped all of these friends to welcome in your life. And one thing which we can follow in future is that once the club is formed, we can definitely have a secret Santa among all the club members. Let us see who is going to be the next volunteer to take up the topic. Who wants to ride this barrel of fun round? Any takers? Well, I would also request the role players. They can also take at it if anyone wants to go.
Can we nominate?
Mahima is angry. All right. So it seems Mahima wanted to go first. So Mahima, if you can come on the video,
I'm so sorry,
we will have you as a next speaker. And as I forgot, Table Topic Master also has the right to call out the audience members if they are not volunteering. So I would request Mahima to come on the video to attempt the next topic.
Can I go after this? Because just give me like 2 minutes. I will not be able to. I'm sorry. I'll not be able to launch my camera. Right.
So the third participant.
Akshay, I can take it up if no one is there. Dinesh here.
Dinesh?
Yes, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Can you come on the video?
Yes.
Right, Dinesh? All right. Dinesh, New Year resolution for 2021. New Year resolution for 2021, Dinesh.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Akshay, and good afternoon, everyone. New Year resolution. So I have this resolution since 2-3 years back. It's not something that I am trying for the first time. So I had the same resolution in 2019. I have the same resolution in 2018, but I was not able to, make it up because of laziness or procrastination. So the resolution is to get up around 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. in the morning, but somehow that was not happened all this year. Though I set the alarm at 5 or 6, and I eventually got up around 8 or 9. So I read so many books. Even I read this 5 AM Club from Robin Sharma, and I read it, but I was not able to implement the same. And so if I have any resolution that I want to achieve and I want to take it up seriously, then I will definitely go for this, getting up early. And why I think getting up early is something you'll get some relaxed time. No one will disturb you, and you can focus on the things whatever you want to achieve. So yeah, that's the resolution I have, and I hope I'll try to do it. So yeah, over to you, TTM Akshay. Thank you.
Thank you, Dinesh, for that lovely take on the topic. And just for you, since 2021 is going to begin, a small suggestion. Whenever I take up any newer resolution, I also involve one of my friends, and do ensure that this friend is someone who doesn't get up early, so that when you force them, they will definitely make you also awake at 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. in the morning. Hope you try this and your 2021.
Yeah, actually, I'll talk to my roommate and I'll.
All right, Mahima, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Can we have Mahima on the spotlight?
But the only thing here is I would not be able to switch on my camera because I have a small baby with me and he's sleeping.
All right, no worries.
Thank you.
Mahima,
Yeah.
the child in you, Mahima.
Okay. Well, the child in me, yes, it's still alive. And how do I know that? Because whenever I just sit around with my baby, there's a small child which comes out, and I do that, oh, no, 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 nee, 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 all those kind of sounds. So that is when I realized that, yes, the child in me is alive. And whenever we go out, or whenever I see a random cat or a dog or any such animal, I'm like, Ali baby, Milachona baby, cutie baby, and all those kind of things. So yes, the child in me is still alive. Apart from that, one more reason that the child in me is still alive, I am still my mummy's pet, my parents' pet. So whenever I have to go outside, or I'm feeling low, the first thing what I do is just call my parents and I talk to them. I behave like a child. I do that, all those stubborn kind of things wherein I want to be given love and all those kind of things. So yes, the child in me is still alive. So that is all from my end. Thank you so much for a wonderful topic, Akshay. Over to you.
Thank you, Mahima, for sharing that take and letting us know that your inner child is still alive, and one can see that when you are with your pets, your kid, or if you are around other kids. Thank you for sharing that. Let us have our next volunteer. Who would like to go?
I would like to try. Can you hear me?
Vinila, right?
Yes.
Yes. Can we have Vinila on the spotlight? Vinila,
Yeah.
one thing you want to do in 2021 better. One thing you want to do in 2021 better, Vinila.
Thank you, Akshay, for the topic. The one thing that I would like to do in 2021 better is that I would like to be more resilient. Like whatever circumstance comes into my way, I would like to be able to tolerate. I would like. I was always people look at me as a sensitive person, or even if somebody asks for a small help or something, I would feel so much, go out of my way. Sometimes I would love to think before helping somebody whether I should be spending a lot of my time into doing that, because they themselves should be able to develop their pull out from themselves to stand up on their own legs. That is what I would like to do in 2021. And as Dinesh and everybody else said, one thing that I would like to share is that I've already mastered getting up early in the morning. Like I sleep at 9 and get up at 2. One of the the way I've mastered is that like like I keep challenging yourself in work and everything. Then you'll on one day you'll be able to achieve what you put yourself to. Thank you, Akshay.
Thank you, Vinila, for letting us know that you have mastered the early wake-up call, as well as you love to help others. So keep on that spirit. Helping others is a very great act, and it is needed by a lot of people in the world. Thank you for that take. Let us have our next volunteer.
Shall I try?
Lakshmikant?
Yeah.
All right. Can we have Lakshmikant on the spotlight?
But someone should take this responsibility.
I'll share the screen.
All right. Yeah, it seems now I'm back on the spotlight. All right. Lakshmikant, Someone is sharing the screen?
Yeah, 1 second. Can you?
All right.
I'm sharing the screen. Mm, yeah. Can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
All right. Lakshmikant, are you ready?
Yes.
Lakshmikant, one best thing about 2020. One best thing about 2020, Lakshmikant.
Yeah. I'm glued today because I have given a chance to speak in front of Toastmasters. I remember one day will come where I want to be a motivational speaker. I have a dream of to become a motivational speaker, and I have decided this year and have decided date as well. In June 2021, I would be a motivational speaker, whatever it is, but I'm preparing my content as well. I started preparing content, I started doing research on it, and many more. And I have a very good program that is called self-transformation. You can transform yourself by applying some principles, not tricks, I would say. I'm carefully using principles word. I don't want to use tips and tricks, because tips and tricks would be used by pests, not by the human beings. I would say principles, where principle will make you, to somewhere and make you a transform your life. So one best thing, if you're asking, Toastmaster is asking, one best thing about 2021. I mean, is it 2021 or 20? I'm sorry, 2021, I'm taking it. So in 2021, I want to be a motivational speaker. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Lakshmikant, for sharing what is the best thing about 2021 for you. And as a timer, you took a step in the next year. That's very fantastic. And hope you become a great motivational speaker, and all the very best for your journey.
Thank you.
Timer, also let me know if I have some more time left so I can call up some more volunteers.
Yeah, we can have a few more, like 2 more.
All right then. Who would like to go?
Can I go? Can the general evaluator do it, Miss Nikita?
Afshan, right?
Yes, definitely. Go ahead, ma'am.
Yes. I'm sorry, I won't be able to switch on the camera.
Afshan only, right?
Yes.
All right. Afshan, travel destination that is your favorite. Travel destination that is your favorite, Afshan.
Good afternoon, everybody. There's no such destination that's favorite. I think it's all about the company you travel and the objective that you travel with. I do not travel to take Instagram pictures and I do not travel. I actually am a backpack traveler. I just stuff few clothes and just like to travel, eat the local food and explore the places which just feel the place. And I think it is more about the company that you travel with. Anything you travel with an objective of taking a time off from the work that you do, just to feel motivated, come back again with renewed vigor, and come back again with lot of energy and exuberance to continue for the new year. I think traveling is very underrated. Everybody should travel, and you learn so many things by traveling. I started it pretty late in my life, but I make it a point that I travel to any place once a year, so that it helps you understand and it makes you feel grateful for the things that you have and other people do not have. So I think traveling is not about a destination for me, but if you were to ask my favorite destination, it would always be somewhere countryside and not this concrete buildings like New York or Dubai. It would be something very countryside with lots of natural, and like Kerala is something that I really like. So I think traveling is about with the people that you travel, your family or your friends with whom you're comfortable and you can be with. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you, Afshan, for sharing God's own country is your favorite destination. Even mine, that is one of the favorite destination which I travel to frequently. And as you said, everyone must travel. Travel helps you experience people, food, and the community where you travel to. And it helps you gain a lot of experiences indeed. So let us have our next volunteer. I can see Kalyani as well as Imtiaz. I haven't heard you speak, so would you like to take this opportunity?
Yeah, I would like to go.
Kalyani, can we have you on the video or?
I couldn't on my video right now.
All right, no worries, Kalyani. Kalyani, your favorite food. Your favorite food, Kalyani.
Thank you so much, Table Topic Master, for that. You're asking me a foodie for my favorite food. So that would be one of the best table topic I ever had. So my favorite food is all the junk food or these packed food. So if you ask me one, then it would be really a tough choice for me to only choose one. My favorite food is, since it depends, I also heard this that for every 7 years our human taste buds and we changes our favorite food and all. So for every here and then I always change. As of now, my favorite food is ulvacharu biryani, so which is quite famous over here in our place. So I would love to have that, mostly in a restaurant called Kalyani Restaurant again. So I would love to have that ulvacharu biryani. That's one of the favorite food. I think I also suggest you to eat that. And other favorite food is like I like packed food like kurkure and banana chips, potato chips, and all. So these are like my favorite food. Thank you so much for that topic. Over to you.
Thank you, Kalyani, for sharing this. And do let us know when we can come over, as I am traveling from Mumbai virtually to Hyderabad. For me, biryani is just biryani. But you Hyderabad people might have different kinds of biryani, which you mentioned one. So do let me know where and when can I have that. I'm very excited for that because I'm a very, or you can say I'm a food lover and I love to explore different kinds of food. Thank you very much for that take. Let us have Imtiaz. Imtiaz, you can
Sure, Akshay.
enjoy this opportunity, Barrel of Fun round. Can we have you on
Yes,
video?
Akshay. No, Akshay, I cannot come on video now.
All right, no worries, Imtiaz. Let us hear your voice. Imtiaz, your
Yes.
hobby. Your hobby, Imtiaz.
Yeah, my hobby is to play cricket. So I love cricket. I really love watching IPL. So I do play cricket every Sunday. Like early morning, I will go to ground. We had a club where we every Sunday we play the cricket. So yes, I really love to play the cricket. That's it.
Thank you, Imtiaz, for sharing your hobby is to play cricket and that you do every Sunday early morning. So Imtiaz is an early riser. We all can take some inspiration. So, well, we had almost everyone speak up. If anyone is left, we can have one more topic. Muqtadir. If Muqtadir, yes, Muqtadir is left. Can we have Muqtadir on to the audio switched on?
Yes, it's Muqtadir here.
Yeah, can you go on video or else you just want to do the audio?
Just the audio.
All right, Muqtadir.
Yeah.
Muqtadir, what do you think about nature around you? What do you think about the nature around you, Muqtadir?
Well, thank you for the topic. In this century, I think everyone has to think about nature in a collective and a singular manner. That is its importance. As we see, the climate change and the global warming and the different climatic aberrations happening all around the world and the loss and the damage that is happening to the human species, particularly, as we always think about ourselves first. We have to change this thinking, and we have to think about the climate first. And we have to think in such a way that the future generation benefits from our thinking, and we have to take steps such that generation is safe and can live, live and prosper as we did. And the younger generation, that is particularly ourselves, we have to work in such a way that our decisions help in shaping the future in the perspective of nature. So I think that nature is the prime source of life, and it's the only caretaker and the only support for our species and our co-species to prosper in the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Muqtadir, for highlighting that one must be conscious about the nature around them as she. Nature is our caretaker, who supports and is the only source of life. Thank you very much. With this, I think we have covered almost everyone and also well and with time. I'd request Timer Lakshmikant to please share who took how much time so that it can be noted by the speakers as well as a vote counter can get the names also.
Yeah. So Miss Nandini has taken 1 minute 40 seconds. And Dinesh Reddy has taken 1 minute 9 seconds. Am I audible?
Yeah,
yes, Lakshmikant, you're audible.
Yeah. So Miss Mahima has taken 1 minute 10 seconds. And Vinila has taken 1 minute 45 seconds. And Afshan, ma'am, has taken 1 minute 35 seconds. And Kalyani has taken 1 minute 25 seconds. And Imtihaz has taken 35 seconds. And Muqtadir has taken 1 minute 42 seconds. And about me, I don't know.
Yeah, you took 1 minute 23 seconds.
Yeah.
Well, here it is, Lakshmikant, you have your own time as well.
Yes.
Thank you everyone for participating in the Barrel of Fun round, which was table topics. And it was a gleeful moment for me to hear from you and share your thoughts. Thank you very much for this opportunity, and thank you all for volunteering. Keep volunteering in the table topics round, as this is the opportunity for improving yourself and become a better communicator. Back to you, Toastmaster Nikita. Hope you have some more games so that you can energize them again. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Toastmaster Akshay. I guess after the exciting table topics, everybody is energized. But before I hand it over to our general evaluator, I just want to ask one question, not a tricky question, don't worry. What is your idea of having fun? Maybe fun of you or some of you can unmute and tell or put it in the chat. What is your idea of having fun?
I like to become a child again whenever I want to have fun. So I do those activities which the children do.
Okay. Who else? Your idea of having fun. Simple.
It's like enjoying the moment without any tensions.
Enjoying the moment.
Probably going out on long drive and eating some junk.
Okay, a foodie again.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, meeting childhood friends is a fun, I think so.
Meeting childhood friends.
Food
is always fun.
Is fun according to me.
Okay.
Yeah, for students, it may be bunking classes.
Oh, yes, I miss that so much. Okay. So everybody has a different perspective of having fun. And in the attempt to have fun, we try to look for something very extravagant. And we forget that it is just about the enjoyment that we are trying to have. So next time when you are outside or anywhere, just try to do what you are doing instead of looking into something very extravagant to come out of that particular thing. For example, Mahima is going on a long drive and trying to enjoy some junk food. Just be there, enjoy that drive, and enjoy the food that you're having instead of looking up, oh, I wish I could have a long drive at some other place, maybe in Leh, or have this particular food or that particular food. We try to complicate things. Instead of that, just be in the moment and have fun. With this, I will hand it over to our general evaluator, because as much fun as we may want to have at work, at home, or even in a meeting, we still need someone to tell us where we could improve, lest we get busy just having fun and digress from our aim of continuous improvement. That's where the general evaluator segment helps us. To take the segment forward, I will invite Toastmaster Afshan back to the stage. Over to you, Afshan ma'am.
Thank you, Miss Nikita. I would give my evaluation after my tag team tells it, if it is okay. Gives their evaluation. I would request my tag team to please give their evaluation. I would request my timer, Mr. Lakshmikant, to tell us how many.
Speech evaluator.
Okay, I would request the speech evaluator to please give her evaluation for the prepared speech today.
Thank you, General Evaluator, and good afternoon, everyone, and a special good afternoon to you, Toastmaster Vamsi. So now I'm doing my evaluation in CRC method, commendations, recommendations, and then conclusion. Firstly, coming to the points that I really loved in your speech, coming to the first thing, your introduction. At your introduction, you asked a very tricky question, and I can see many of the people were thinking about that question. And at that point, you make sure that everyone is with you. So that was something amazing. And coming to the second thing, you're so confident while you're delivering your speech. Your gestures made me feel you're comfortable. And while you are saying something, you have enacted the voice modulations of things which really looks great to me. And also, whenever you're explaining me something, or your hand gestures, your voice modulations, your facial expressions, and everything were good. And I can say that you are so confident while delivering all of this, especially in your content. And coming to the third thing, your connection. You really connected with the audience through your topic selection. You have talked about the Christmas and also next about your New Year resolutions, where everybody could able to relate. When you have talked about the Santa and the gift, everybody will expect the same when it comes to the Christmas, where you have connected them. And coming to the next New Year resolution, where not at least few of them may think about the New Year resolution, where you connected. This was amazing topic selection. And coming to the areas where you can try differently, the first thing could be the transitions. Like firstly, you have talked about the Santa, and next you have talked, do you like festivals? And next, New Year resolutions. And next you talked about a girl messaged me, and next you talked about the Toastmasters. Here, I was not with you throughout your speech. Somewhere I was not with you. Like at the start, if you can able to say that, firstly, I wanted to talk about festivals, and nextly, I wanted to talk about how I got job, and next I wanted to talk about Toastmasters. At the start, if you could able to tell me that what you are talking or taking all the audience, then I can have a proper and good idea and be with you throughout the speech. And coming to the next thing, conclusion. In the conclusion, you have gave me a lot of points. You have told me about positive things, Toastmasters inhibited the darkness, and you told about your New Year resolutions, and you told about the Festival of Lights. Instead of saying so many points in the conclusion, I cannot take all the points and implement. But if you can able to give me one point where you have witnessed that, and if you are saying that in the conclusion, and if you can able to give to the audience, then I can completely take that. So to summarize, you have a good introduction, connection, and you are so confident while delivering your speech. But if you could also able to make the transitions and conclusions, I'm sure you are going to rock in your next speeches. And I challenge you to work on transitions from your next speech. And over to you, General Evaluator.
Thank you so much for the wonderful commendations and recommendations. I've heard about the CRC method for the first time. Thank you so much. And Mr. Vamshi, congratulations on completing your project. Now I would request my tag team, my timer, Mr. Lakshmikant, to share his report with us.
Time of all, ma'am, or?
Only prepared speeches and evaluation you can share. Table topics you've already shared.
Yeah. Prepared speech 6 minutes 52 seconds, ma'am.
The evaluator now.
Evaluator is 2 minutes, around 2 minutes 32 seconds.
Thank you, Ms. Lakshmikant. I would request my counter, Toastmaster Vinila, to share her report with the group.
Thank you, Afsan ma'am. I honestly didn't find much of pause fillers or pause words in any of your speeches, but I've noted a few. Mahima had around 3 pause sounds and 1 pause word. Nikita, you had pause sound once. Lakshmikant didn't have any. Afsan didn't have any. Kalyani had 2 pause sounds and 1 pause word. Akshay didn't have any pause sounds or pause words. Meghna had 1 pause sound. Imitas had more than 5 pause sounds and 2 pause words. Vamshi didn't use any pause sounds or pause words. Nandini had 3 pause sounds and 2 pause words. Dinesh had 1 pause sound and 1 pause word. I had 2 awkward pauses and 2 pause sounds. Muktadir didn't have any pause sounds or pause words. Thank you, Afsan.
Thank you, Ms. Vanilla. Now I would request my word master grammarian, Toastmaster Kalyani, to please present her report.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm back with my report. Firstly, I'm feeling gleeful that most of you use word and idiom of the day in today's speeches. Mostly in all the clubs, usually they ignore word and idiom of the day. But I think as far as I saw, most of you use word and idiom of the day. So keep it up. So as of my notice, I made a note of who used word and idiom of the day. I counted and Grish, okay. Toastmaster Mahima used word of the day once. Nikita used word of the day once and idiom of the day twice. Afshan used word of the day twice. Akshay, table topic master, used word of the day twice, idiom of the day thrice. Speaker Vamsi used word and idiom of the day once in his speech. And Lakshmikant used word of the day once. And yeah, so there are few grammar errors. One Toastmaster used I am handover. So I think we can use I handover. And one Toastmaster used raising hands. I think in that context, we can use raised hand. One Toastmaster used you have talked about. I think we can use you spoke about. And the pronunciation, one Toastmaster uses as yam. I think it's am. And when comes to good usages, Toastmaster Nikita used extravagant and assiduous, extravagant, and Speaker Vamsi used many idioms and new words in his speech. One of the idiom is over the moon, and there is a new word which is festivalist, and also there is this statement which I liked. There is light at the end of the tunnel, but we have to inhibit change. And one funny sentence in his jingle bells, increment and height gone out of my way, which is really funny. And Toastmaster Nandini used friends are gifts for me, which is good. And Vinila used one new word, resilient. And one statement which she used, which I really liked it, is keep challenging yourself. One day you'll achieve whatever you want. So this is my report. Keep using word and idiom of the day in your speeches, in your daily lives as well. Thank you. Over to General Evaluator.
Thank you so much, my word master grammarian, for such a detailed report. Now, I would like to give my.
Before that, can I launch poll for short stage role players?
Yes, Miss Nandini, please go ahead.
Please vote for the short stage role players. I think. Can you see it on your screens? So we're closing in 10 more seconds. We still have to receive 5 votes. Yeah, thank you. Yes, ma'am, you can continue.
Thank you so much, everyone. I would like to give my entire evaluation about the entire way how this meeting went. We were all present on time, but we waited for 5 minutes before beginning the meeting, which is like a great thing to happen. We waited 5 minutes for the guests to arrive, and we kicked off the meeting. The Sergeant of Arms, Miss Grishma, kicked off the meeting with great glee. Well begun is half done always. So the Sergeant of Arms was fantastic. She did her job very well. She was very clear with her roles. She spoke with a lot of confidence. And my when she handed over the mic to our Toastmaster of the day, Miss Nikita, she took this meeting to another level and pushed the entire meeting to a notch higher. Kudos to you, Miss Nikita, for ending this meeting with a bang. And we hope to have many such meetings where people make us run, get out of our chairs on a weekend here and there. It was so much fun to have. I request everyone to add this few tweaks here and there to their meetings whenever they conduct whenever they are the Toastmasters of that particular day. It was great fun, and everyone from speakers to the role players, all of them did their job well. Many of them were doing it for the first time, so it's totally fine. It is a process. We will keep learning. We are all work in progress. And thank you so much. I found the meeting to be very well begun, and thankfully we are all ending on time. Thank you so much.
Yeah, now I'm going to release the polling for long stage. Please vote for that as well. So we have 3 nominations for that. Nikita, who is TMOD, TTM, who is Akshay, and General Evaluator, who is Afshan, ma'am. You can vote, guys. Yeah.
Meanwhile, I would like to invite the presiding officer Mahima to talk about the membership and chartering. If anybody has any questions, please feel free to ask. Over to you, Mahima.
Thank you so much, Nikita. So are we done with the polling?
Yes, it's done.
Cool. Wonderful. So thank you so much for a wonderful meeting. It was barrel of fun for me. Every Toastmaster meeting is my happy hour. And before we go ahead and see who the winners are, I would especially like to thank Lakshmikant and Vanilla for taking up this opportunity. I know it's your first time, but welcome to the team. Very well done. I would encourage you both and all the other team members to take up the roles going next meeting, which we might probably have on the 2nd of January, the same timing on Sunday, 3rd of January, Sunday, 12 o'clock. We will keep you posted. Nandini has already posted the WhatsApp group link. So you can just click on that and join our team. And let's see who has won the certificate.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, here I have it. Okay.
I think that's like
So the best table topic speaker goes to Nandini. Which one are you playing? Okay, yeah, Dinesh Reddy. Huge round of applause. Congratulations, Dinesh.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Okay, moving ahead. Best short stage role player. Sorry for the background noise. Vinila, there you go. Congratulations. And last but not the least, the best long stage role player goes to undoubtedly Nikita. Toastmaster Nikita, congratulations. Thank you for making us run early morning, going here and there, get this, get that for the points. Okay, so that's all from my end. Thank you so much for being a lovely audience. I hope you all stay safe, stay healthy. Wish you all a very happy new year. And about the membership, so there is this offer which is going on wherein the 120 pre-chattering fee and $20 membership fee is being waived off. So the membership fee is somewhere around 5,850. It's one-time membership fee. You just have to pay and lifetime validity. So for any other questions, you can either reach out to Nikita, Afshan, or Abhimanyu, or Nivedita ma'am. You can also join, as I mentioned earlier, you can join our WhatsApp group and we can connect on one-on-one basis. And if you have any questions, queries, just ask and we would be there for you.
Okay, one correction that 5,800 is until September 2021. It is how many months of membership? 8 or 9 months of membership. And after that, every 6 months, it is $45 to renew your membership. So if we get chartered before 31st of January, that will be the amount. But if it gets delayed, then it will be a different amount. Yeah. But September, October 2021 is when the membership will have to be renewed, and $45 is the renewal amount.
Great. Thank you so much, Nikita, for that information. And I would now like to hand over the podium to Sergeant Accountant Toastmaster Grishma to close this meeting.
What a meeting. I really had fun. Toastmaster Nikita, I really appreciate you for this. I had all the fun. I literally enjoyed the meeting. With this, I'll close the meeting number 17 of Mehdi Patnam Toastmaster is officially closed and it's open for networking.
Yeah. So any feedback? So how you felt the meeting? You can please share your experiences. Yeah, now it's official. Now let's have a group picture and then share. Yeah, can you all group on your cameras for just 2 or 3 seconds? Only for the group pic, yeah, if possible.
We have our Santa Claus.
Vamshi, you should put your
cap.
Yes.
Afshan ma'am, Imtiaz and Muqtadar, if you are okay with it, can you please go ahead and launch your cameras?
Yes, so fine. So let's take a group pic. 3, 2, 1. Yay. Amazing. Yeah. Dinesh, how did you find the meeting? You can share your experiences. Or Muqtadar, Imtiaz.
So, thank you, everyone. This is my first meeting with Mehdi Patnam Toastmasters. I'm basically from Madhapur Toastmasters, and I want to explore how the other club meetings are. So, I joined. I saw the post in Toastmasters Hyderabad or some club. So, I joined from there, and I really like the quality of the meeting. So, even this is pre-charted. I see the quality and the table topics that are given and the speeches and the evaluation. And I really like how TMOD Nikita presented her theme. So this is really good, and I will definitely look forward to attend more meetings with Mehdipatnam. Yeah,
Thank
that's
you.
it. Thanks, sir.
Imtiaz, can you share your experience? How did it felt?
Yeah, yeah, Nandini. Yeah, it was a great meeting. Yeah, I really like it. So, the fun, barrel of fun. I really like this topic. So, yeah, the Vamshi, the speech has given, the way he has given the speech, and the feedback, all the feedback, how everyone has performed, the way the feedback has been given. I really like it. So yeah, definitely, I will be joining this group. I want to be the part of this group.
Please join the group, and you can even contact me or Nikita. We will share our numbers in the chat, so we'll connect whenever you are free. Can you please post your number, Nikita? And also you can join the WhatsApp group link. Did you join, Imtiaz?
Yes, yes, I am already joined.
Okay. Muqtadir, how did you felt?
Well, it was a wonderful experience for me, and I always looked forward to join the Toastmasters because I used to look videos of the international Toastmasters, uh, competitions, and I'm glad I'm a part of this, and definitely I'll join it. I also have a few other friends, and I'll tell them also
Amazing.
join as
Yeah.
a group.
You can also join the WhatsApp group link so that we'll connect again.
I'm already joined. I'm already.
Amazing. Lakshmikant, this was your first meeting. How did you felt by taking the role in the first time itself?
Yeah, I'm indeed pleasure to be here today with you people. And I would say only two words. One is barrel of fun and second is glee. Yeah.
Amazing. What an idiom. Yeah. Thank you. And Vinila, how did you felt this time by taking the second time of accountant to become perfect in it?
It is so much fun. I particularly liked Vamsi's speech and the way everybody spoke. It is so much fun today.
Thank you. And we would like to see your icebreaker speech in the next meeting. You can. Icebreaker. Yeah. Icebreaker speech, which is yeah. If you have time, yeah. Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you.
okay.
Yeah. Still anybody want to speak anything or want to ask any doubts, you can ask, or we will end the meeting. I guess everything are clear. Okay, then I'm ending the meeting. Bye bye guys. Meet you in the next meeting on 3rd again. Bye bye.